How to remove password protection from Shopify. Hey everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you step by step how it's done. You're going to be able to do it in two different ways. And just to note, you need to actually have a plan in order to be able to do so. If you're on a free trial testing things out with Shopify, you're not going to be able to actually do this, or you don't have the option to remove the password protection. So anyways, if you do have a plan, you simply just want to go to online store. Just go ahead and click on that. And then from here, you simply are going to find this right on top of your current theme, password protected. To remove the password, just go ahead and pick a plan for me. But if you already have a plan, you're going to have the option to click on deactivate right over here. If you see that and you click on it, you're pretty much good to go. Anyone who actually visits your site, they're not going to find themselves in a password protected page. But if you don't see this option for some reason, you can just go to our online store, click on preferences, and then you should be able to find it right over here, password protection, and you're going to have the option to toggle it on or off. If you want it to be on, you are going to be able to also set up the password here and a message if you want to. If you turn it off, then you're pretty much good to go. So this is it for this video. Hopefully you found it to be informative, and for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.